Hi there, I'm Alec.
I'm Ishan and today we'll be making a cheesy omelette.
But before we start, Ishan, have you washed your hands?
Oh,
Your hands can easily spread bacteria around the kitchen and onto food. So we have to make sure that we wash our hands thoroughly before starting to prepare food and after touching raw food like meat and vegetables.
okay, all done. Let's start. These are the ingredients we will need to make the egg. Butter, some cheese, and salt and pepper.
We will also need a bowl, a fork, and cooking utensils.
First, we gently crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Oops. Add some salt and pepper. And mix thoroughly.
Take a pan and put it over the stove. Turn on the stove and change the settings to medium to low heat to warm the pan. If the heat is high, you may burn the eggs on one side before the other side is cooked.
Now we put in the butter. Lots and lots of butter.
Not too much, Ishan. Butter may have a lot of flavor and taste real good, but it is high in calories and saturated fats, and also should be enjoyed in moderation. Swirl the butter around the pan so that it's evenly coated. And then pour the egg mixture in. Immediately tilt the pan so that the egg coats it. Use a spatula to drag and push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Skillet so that the uncooked eggs flow into the open spaces. The top of the omelette should look a bit wet and uncooked, but the bottom will be set and dry, and the edges dry. We can add the cheese now. Sprinkle the cheese in the center of the omelette. We are using shredded mozzarella cheese, but you can also use other cheeses like cheddar or Gouda. Sliced cheese is okay too. You can also add other fillings like ham, chopped tomatoes, capsicum, onions, and parsley.
A few moments later.
We will now have to put the omelette on a plate. This is how you do it.
Fold a bit of the egg towards the center. Then gently slide the egg to the edge of the pan and onto the plate. When the egg is halfway on the plate, fold it over.
Oops.
Good job, Ishan.
Thanks. Let's ask my sister to try it now. Come, Shania. Eat it. One bite. On your
Yes, it has to be eaten right away whilst it's still warm.
Why is it
Thanks
It's
for
so
watching now. You can go home and try cooking your own omelets too.